This is the remaster I've been waiting for. This is not only the franchise that turned me into a passionate gamer, this franchise resonates with me personally. This is the Tony Hawk's Collector's Edition. Let's go to the studio. The demo for this game has been out for a while, and probably like most people, I've been playing it since it was released via Game Pass. But the game is cross-platform, meaning that you can play with your friends online no matter what platform you or they are on. This is a true multi-platform release. So today, because it's multi-platform, we're going to unbox a PlayStation edition. With this collector's edition, the first thing that stands out a mile is this. You can see this big limited edition skateboard right forefront in the center. It's got the Birdhouse logo on it. It's got the hawk. We've also got the logo for the game here, and you can see the big image of the deck. If I flip this over, we're going to see on the back some more details about the actual game itself. So you've got that Shred Like a Pro. If any of you have ever played Tony Hawk's but never skateboarded, you will know how easy it is to get into these styles of games and spend hours of fun playing until your heart's content. And on the back, it lists just some of the key features of the new game. So in this edition, you've got 3 new parks that you can play. There, you've got a mix of 16 classic parks from the 3rd and 4th game. And then this version includes the Digital Deluxe Edition. So that includes the Doomslayer, the Revenant playable skaters, plus the Unimaker hoverboard skate deck. On the back, you've also got 3 of the parks they've been promoting. You've got the Foundry, Alcatraz, and Pinball. So let's open this. We want to see that game. We want to see that skateboard deck as well. So this is the limited edition, full-size Birdhouse skateboard deck. So I'm going to just peel this open, and I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to look at what everybody's come to see. So we have the game right here. So you have that game, and in there you've got your disc, and then inside you will have your digital download code for the deluxe content as well. So let's pop that to the side a second. I'm now just going to open this up and take this out. And that box can go out of the way. And right there, if you've ever skateboarded before, this will be very familiar. This is an official Birdhouse deck, and on it, it is the limited edition Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 3+4. And that's really cool. It's really unique. It's got the blue top ply, and at the top of the nose, just here, you've got Tony Hawk's printed signature as well. And on this, just here, it says this is a size 8 deck. So if there's something that you're planning on buying to use, it's a 8-inch deck in width. Now, I think most people are probably going to leave this boxed, or I think this would look quite good at the back here on display. If we open the game, so you guys can see actually what comes inside. Now, being multi-platform, you can get this for different consoles. And inside, you've got that physical disc. So this is the physical disc version of the game included with the collector's edition. With the physical disc version, you'll either get the cart, depending on where you're playing it, or a physical disc. And then you've got your code here for your deluxe edition contents pack. So I'm going to hide that because that's for me. Now within the game, the classic parks return with things like the Foundry and Alcatraz, and it also includes new ones like the water parks. You get 9 parks from Pro Skater 3, 6 from Pro Skater 4, and 3 new ones, totaling 18 parks in total. The new parks include Water Park, Pinball, and Movie Studio. Now, for anybody that has a history of playing the game franchise, the new game is full of legendary skaters from the series, including Bob Burnquist, Andrew Reynolds, Jamie Thomas, Rodney Mullen, Corinne Campbell, Chad Musker, Elisa Steamer, and of course the Birdman himself, Tony Hawk's. Then there is a whole new generation of skaters that have earned a spot in the game, like Shane O'Neill, Ray Salil, Lizzie Almetto, Jamie Foy, Leo Baker, Niger, and Yuto Horigami. Plus, like the classic games, there are secret skaters in-game you can unlock. If you know who any of them are, please leave them in the comments below, or who you're going to pick for your first playthrough. Now, we spoke at the start that the game is cross-platform. This means you can play with up to 8 skaters online across all the different platforms the game is available. And there is a new Hawk mode where you race around and collect the letters, turning any level into a fast-paced race. With the update for the game, you now get enhanced creation tools with things like Deep Create a Skater and Create a Park modes, now with shareable custom goals. You also get a New Game Plus mode, replay career levels with fresh pro goals and tougher expert challenges. There are also some quality of life upgrades, including push to talk with voice chat and a streamer mode to skip tracks not suitable for live content. Then, for those of you that have been playing the franchise for a long time, you have control options inspired by Tony Hawk's 3 and 4 with optional legacy schemes for purists. There are a few different editions of the game available. You have the physical standard edition, which includes the base game and is multi-platform. You then have a digital standard edition, which is multi-platform, a digital deluxe edition multi-platform, which in addition to access of the digital game includes early access to play the game 3 days before the official launch on July the 11th. You've got the Doomslayer Skater, 2 unique special tricks, 2 outfits, a standard and a retro, the Unimaker hoverboard, the Revenant Secret Skater, 2 unique special tricks, 1 outfit, additional music, a song selection from the Doom franchise, Doom skateboards, and 14 Doom-themed skateboards, including the Doomslayer, Revenant, and you have Create a Skater items, Doom-themed apparel for your skater. The collector's edition includes everything from the digital deluxe edition, plus a physical disc, plus the Birdhouse limited edition full-size deck. Being able to unbox this and get early access to this edition really is a dream come true. It's a franchise that's changed my childhood, from playing football in the park to learning kickflips and Smith grinds. The Tony Hawk's Pro Skater series transcends gaming and has changed the way the masses views a whole sport. It's influenced style and fashion, it's changed a generation of players' music tastes. The Tony Hawk's series took skateboarding and elevated it to a point that people are now doing tricks that were inspired by the games. I'm off to load the game, and if you've enjoyed this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Ciao.